Now, in our world, a bit of a subset of the larger world, our world, the advertising world, we've also undergone our own century of inquiry and debate. Our world began with the patent medicine hucksters, with their garish advertisements and outlandish claims that a dab of this or a drop of that would make you more potent or more powerful. These hucksters were supplanted by the scientists of advertising, who believed that direct marketing, research, and copy testing would unlock the secrets of why people purchased what they purchased. The scientists were succeeded by the creative revolutionaries, who affirmed, in the words of Bill Bernbach, that advertising is fundamentally persuasion, and persuasion happens to be not a science, but an art. With their cinematic television commercials and sensuous print ads, the creatives dominated advertising for the next 50 years. That is, until recently, until the advent of the technologists. The technologists are saying, everything you need to know, everything is in the data. The data can predict. The data can project. The data can determine. Well, guess what? They're all wrong. All of them. The creatives and the technologists, each is as narrow-minded as the inquisitors who forced Galileo to recant, as constricted as the Newtonians who dismissed Einstein. They are divided by what the late researcher, academic scholar C.P. Snow called a gulf of mutual incomprehension, that they are too afraid, too unaware to cross. At the IAB, we say it is time for the cultures of advertising, the creative culture and the technology culture to unite. And we are happy to report that this unification is now inevitable. Because as we peer deeply into the activities of our industry, into the output of advertising agencies, into the algorithms of technology companies, into the activities of brand marketers around the world, we see that this big bang has already occurred. Technology and creativity have collided. They have come together to create spectacular digital communications campaigns that are more alluring and more effective than anything generated in the past history of television or print. Why is this possible? Because it is the same spark of cultural insight and consumer need that inspires both an agency creative and a technology company engineer. When they work together, the creatives and the technologists, and they get it right, they both change the zeitgeist. How important is this big bang of marketing, creativity, and technology? I'll give you two newsworthy numbers to help you calibrate it. The first is 5.1 million. Today, IAB, in conjunction with Professor John Dayton of the Harvard Business School, is releasing results from a groundbreaking study, the economic value of the advertising-supported internet ecosystem. It's the second time we have done this study, and this one shows that between 2007 and 2011, a period of recession, a period when U.S. civilian employment was flat, the number of jobs that rely on the U.S. ad-supported internet doubled to 5.1 million. And here's a second figure for you, 530 billion. Extrapolating from the job creation figure, the IAB Harvard study found that the interactive marketing industry contributed $530 billion to the U.S. economy last year, almost twice our contribution to the economy in 2007. The digital advertising industry has been one of the few growth areas, one of the few bright spots in a recession-starved American economy. We are truly helping to define the economic future of this nation. More details from this study, more details about what you are doing to improve the American economy can be found at the IAB newsstand downstairs and at www.iab.net economic value.